In front of me is VIVO V40 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder. Begin by launching Recorder app that's already on your device. Now hit Allow in the pop-up and click on this red button at the bottom to start recording. As you can see, recording is on. To pause it or unpause it, use the same button. To add a bookmark, click on the left one, and to end it and save it on the right one. Now to play it, click on it. To manage it, click on those three dots at the top right corner and use all of those options, like rename. Then tap on OK to save its new name, or go back and hold it here to use all of those options at the bottom, like delete. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!